Friday and Saturday off. Well, I say Saturday off. I bring Tanner down on Saturday.
Megan is back tomorrow?
She is back tomorrow.
Oh, imagine the jet lag.
Somebody is going to have to be back in this area with the chicken in there.
What's the matter? Greasy peasy. So we're all back on normal schedule as of tomorrow, pretty much. Yeah, it's that heavy, wet snow that's... Good thing we got the tractor for. Yeah, Megan is our wheelchair girl. She does really good at training those dogs on wheelchairs. I mean, I've done it a few times. I'm the one that sits back, and when we tag team, when we're trying to teach a team with a wheelchair dog, I'm the one that sits back and watches what happens and puts my viewing on that. Megan's really the one that kind of teaches those dogs to really handle the wheelchair and all the little wheels over the toes things until they get used to it. And she takes them a lot in the wheelchairs when we have a need for a wheelchair dog. Together, when me and Megan go out, and soon it will be just as much with Olivia, it's always good to have that extra pair of eyes, because she's always looking at one thing, I'm looking at another thing, and we cover a lot more ground. We did that with Bella and George when she got the halo on. We double teamed up with them too, and got George straightened right out for a whole new aspect of what he could do and what Bella was going to have to now change. Worked out real well. Just so happens that we both look at two different kind of things with service dogs.
She's going to close the gate and put a blanket up.
So it works out good. Olivia's coming right along. She's starting to pick up on a lot of Olivia's teachings. So it works out well. Looks like it appears that Caroline has some special little thing going on today. Just when you think it's going to calm down, something new comes along. So, everybody gets a treat today. You want any of this over there?
I don't know. Yeah, I suppose we'll do the mail first, and then we'll... No, there's not that much. That just happened. Okay. So first we will open the mail. Okay. And it's nice having that table here. Mm-hmm. This says Linda. Linda, that says Linda. Avid identification stuff. Avid. Put that over there. Mm-hmm. And this is Barbara from Essexville, MI. There we go. Look at that one. Give it to a dog, it might be more than a point. Mail on Friday the 16th. There goes the leash. Okay. She would like a chicken brick, business card, and pen. Okay. We can do that. Especially if we find anything. What happened to it? Oh, it's right there. Okay. A chicken brick, a business card. Business cards are in here. Oh, where am I going to put them? In here. That's where I'm going to put it. In the card. And then we have that's the pen, and then we get some of these business cards. We need more of these wrapped up pretty soon. 5 to a little bag. Okay. Got that one done. And one was a chicken brick, so this got to go in the chicken brick department. And we have trustees. Time to redo your membership. Right. And we have Beth from Middletown, Connecticut. Okay. Beth. Oh, there it is. Middletown, Connecticut. I think Middletown, Connecticut has some mental institution there or something. Because Middletown, New York does. And another Middletown that I ran into somewhere else, etc. Okay, what do we got here? An application. I mean, it's an inquiry. Oh, there we go. That out later, okay? Linda will figure it out later. And we have DAB, Granby, Mass. I have both of those. Wow, shiny paper. Look at this. Okay. Put that in the pot. In the pot. I didn't say who that was from, though, did I? Raymond, Clearfield, Utah, Utah, that's the Utah. That's the only one you, isn't it? Okay, and we have, Dear Service Dog Project, I would like a pen, a poker chip, and a monkey fist. Please keep up the good work, Patty. All right, we can do that. Pen, a poker chip, and a monkey fist. That's the pen. Monkey fist. And a poker chip. We need more of these poker chips in bags here. We don't have any left. Little baggies. And if they're not little baggies, they rattle and make the post office very nervous. But we like to put them in bags. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we did all that. No, we didn't. We have another thing. In a box. Who's box? Okay. I think I know what this is.
What's it from?
I think it's from me to me, with much love.
No, they say they can't hear you.
It's because we're way over here.
They're talking about getting you a wired mic again.
Oh, sure.
I know. I didn't answer, I just...
I have one right over here. Don't go to the mic road.
Yeah, I was gonna say, we've been down that road before.
I may have to,
I'll just try to...
I'll turn sideways here a little bit. I haven't said anything very exciting yet anyway.
Okay.
And you're gonna come out here and get this chicken bit, aren't you?
I believe so.
That would be very nice.
Okay.
I think this is a result of my episode with the, generator. We don't know what pieces of equipment use how much electricity, and I think that's what these things are. I think what you do, there's nothing in that, is there?
Oh, yeah. that's good.
I think what you do is you plug this into the wall,
Yep.
and then you plug something into it, and this will tell you how much juice you're using, which is well, like that stove out there. It would be nice to know how much we are using. So I bought two. They can go over there on that table to be done with maybe someday when Bud gets here. Those blue things you can have. And then we have this box. The box is over here. I can't get that. Well, I mean, I can if I stand up and stuff like that. Okay. And this is from nobody. Barkbox.
Barking Company.
Okay, we'll do that. Some of
I
those
think it
dogs.
has treats in it.
Really? Why, who told you that?
So it says, you have more treats right on the side.
Oh, that's a funny box. This is a funny box.
There's a bark box.
Yeah,
This is bark box.
yeah, that's a dark box. It's got funny stuff in it. It's a double box. Yep, all kinds of things in here. Whoop. Well, that's an interesting one. That's an interesting one. We got toys and we have hamburger chews and things like that. Well, that's a fun box. Okay, we'll put stuff back in the box. And you'll have to put it up someplace so that they'll get into it. Thank you very much, whoever. I don't know. It's you. I don't know who that is, but it didn't say so on the label.
Nothing in the bottom.
I didn't see it in the bottom.
Oh, wait, we have a card.
There's a card?
Yes.
Oh my, okay.
I think it says Caitlin.
Oh my, it says a lot of things. Here, Service Dog Project. This is Caitlin with Barkbox along with my pup. Come. Haha. I just spoke with Julie Friedman on the phone and she was telling me about your amazing organization. And I knew we featured George, Bella, in one of the dog's best day ever. I remember that, videos.
Yep.
But I wanted to see what more we could do for you and your puppies. Sending you a few goodies, first received as one of our donated shelters. Thank you so much for doing what you're doing. Hopefully, we can continue to show our appreciation for your organization. But what you're doing is amazing. We need more people like you in the world. Wasn't that wonderful? Caitlin. Caitlin Cubbin Backbox. Well, that's very nice. Bark. Woof. Okay. I'm glad you found that card. Okay. Are we ready? Oh, we ready. Wow, we show. Oh, that's coffee? Oh, I almost,
That's coffee, yeah.
I almost put the cord in there. All right. we are getting into now, somebody sent me a video of a woman or two women, I can't really tell, and I will get their name and pass it along, who have a setup where they're trying to train trainers. And to do that, she has started with chickens. Because it's an awful lot easier to handle a whole bunch of chickens, as we found out in our life, and try and teach the response necessary. What bothers me about it is I can't tell how much editing they have done. What they do is they get a chicken out here, and you put this in the middle of something, and the chickens will peck at anything unusual. So the chicken has an instinct to peck at that dot. And the minute it pecks at that dot, you move over the corn, and it pecks at the corn, and it takes the corn away, and it pecks at the dot again. And they got a chicken doing this in very few minutes, unless there was about 4 hours worth of editing involved. So I thought we ought to experiment with it and start with a chicken and see if we could get them to peck at that dot. And then they moved the dot somewhere else, and it went over there and pecked at that, and then looked for the chicken, for the corn. So, we'll have a chicken, please. And then we'll set the whole cage on the end of it. Now, these chickens may already be trained to get out on the table and go to the bathroom like they do every shatting Sunday. But, you can't tell if you don't try it yourself. Emily, helping? We need more help with this project.
All right.
So we got one closed.
Come on up. Is Reese is in there. She's nurse. Okay, we'll close this for a minute. Because I don't want to have where they're going to do with the chicken.
How many chickens we got in there? Two.
Who doesn't know what a
Okay.
chicken is, so. All right, here I am. All right. He's asleep, so.
We've got them upset now. Let's set them down. There we go.
Just think, where are the bricks?
We don't have any paper towels either.
Oh, it's-
Is that, you want to peck at this? You want to peck at this? You gotta hit this thing. Oh, yeah. Peck at that. No, peck at that, and then you hit this. And then you get one of these. Well, their chicken learned to do this very quickly. Everybody stand still here. A little bit. There you go. Got one piece of corn on here. Back at that. Can't have the corn. Thinking about it. I think this might work eventually here. Another peek into it at once. like that. She's gone crazy.
Why are you looking at me? Looking for a square.
I think they did a lot of editing in there. Why don't you want that piece of corn? I thought that was a very nice piece of corn. Go ahead. Come on. How come you don't want any corn? This corn? It's a very nice piece of corn. Doesn't want that piece of corn. Isn't that funny? Oh, another piece of corn. Yeah. Got that? I don't know if we're making a lot of progress here, but thinking about it, aren't you? Go ahead. She said chickens were very smart, but that, you know, I don't know.
Ours are just crazy.
I saw them do. I saw them do what we're trying to do. They eventually got their chickens.
It's like this water balloon.
They eventually got their chicken to peck that circle. And then they moved the circle and it still went and pecked the chicken. You gotta peck the circle. You gotta move it. Go ahead. Pretty chicken.
Well behaved.
Yeah, so far.
Since Goldie, right?
This is a
Oh, I don't know. I don't know the chickens.
This one's called Goldie. She's a regular
Is she?
chicken bingo.
It's a
I
big
figured
catch.
there was some
You have to peck the
correlation
chicken.
to behavior and
Here.
judgment.
She doesn't want to do that. Uh-oh. Jump away. No. Somebody should be right there. I had thought maybe they would be there.
Well, you know,
Here we go.
that was a good girl.
Here, we're gonna take this thing. Let's take that thing. Put that thing. Put that thing in there. You're not doing it without a piece of corn on there to begin with. don't know how long we want to sit here and look at this. We're not doing too well.
You want to try the other chicken?
Let's try the other chicken. Why don't we try the other chicken? Maybe this chicken's full.
Try to get this one away.
Okay, chicken two. Yeah, chicken two. Hey.
I think they use professional chicken actors.
Hey, hey. Come here.
We have a winner.
My God, it's right on that circle too, isn't
Yeah.
it?
This is a textbook chicken.
Look at this.
Goldie's saying, that's what I was supposed to be doing. Oh, okay.
There's more to this than meets the eye. This chicken's pecking at that circle and not the corn. Go ahead, try it again. Move this a little bit.
Maybe because there's other white spots on it.
Circle again. They're pecking at that circle. Go ahead. I don't think we've learned anything. I think for some reason there's a natural instinct to peck at the center of that circle. Which the old one didn't have. Why would she peck at the center of the circle and not the corn that's right there? Now, you have to come around here. You're supposed to be playing with this. Come here. Come here. You gotta come the other way. Don't jump down.
Maybe, over here. Go that way.
She wants to be with the other chick.
Mm-hmm.
maybe we should give this project over to Grace. This is more.
Okay. Well, I do think there
It
was
was
something to
interesting.
the
One big
white spot.
Back up. Okay. So ended the lesson for today. Okay, you can have them now. I don't know what we learned.
I'm gonna save this.
No, I made it briefly.
Okay.
Unbelievable. Okay.
The amazing thing is May slipped through a little bit.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
She's tucked her down.
That's interesting. We'll have to play with that when we have a lot of time. Okay. Tipping? Oh, you going that way? Oh boy. Okay, we're going that way.
Tipping, tipping, tipping. I think we're at the porch.
Interesting. Interesting. Okay. What would everybody say about it? Ah. If we can teach the chickens to pick up dog poop, we got it.
So what do they say?
Oh, God. His husband said, honey, you'll watch anything, won't you? Ah, winner, winner, chicken dinner.
I think this chicken is already smart enough to know the white dot is not a piece of corn. What's for dinner? No chicken. Somebody was telling me about a video. A woman had chickens and they're trained like dogs.
That's the same video, I'll bet you.
Is it? That they sit, they come around, they kind of gather around her, and she pat them. And
Well, I don't know
just
about,
sit there.
I didn't see anything like that, but
Yeah.
this basically is an exercise on teaching people to train anything.
Uh-huh.
And this woman had a bunch of people and a bunch of chickens, and a guy from the radio station or something that was very funny with the comments. He named his chicken Tandoori. But I did see one of the chickens that they said was going to do an agility course. I did see it turn twice around those bending poles, more than it would have naturally done. So they've done something that was interesting. I don't know. I doubt we have enough time to play with that too much, but maybe Grace would play with it. I don't know. It's interesting. We'll get Grace to watch that. I sent that video to Grace.
Chicken target practice. Maybe if we put a brick pattern down, they'd pick it. Get to the encouraging a chicken to peck.
I can't believe I'm sitting here holding my breath, mentally waiting for the chicken to peck at something. Oh. Oh, this is pretty funny. This is pretty funny. Okay. Well, we tried.
Yeah, and actually the
We
second
may try.
chicken,
We may get Grace to work on that project a little bit, and
the second chicken did peck a few times. So that's good.
would you please tell us who officially to call if the painting lady starts? You call me, and I will call everybody else. And probably among you, you should decide ahead of time who's going to call me, because once I've answered the phone, I will not answer it again. I'll be busy doing other things, and you don't want to tie up my phone.
Mm-hmm.
Do either of those chickens lay the blue eggs? I don't think either of those was a blue egg. The blue egg ones have funny things, feathers on the side of their faces.
Yeah, I'm not sure. We get all colors. Brown, white, blue.
Yeah, but no, the chickens that lay the blue eggs are the ones, aracondas or something. They have funny feathers here.
Pretty color.
Okay, I guess it's time to quit. Quitting time. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.